nayo kufanele ezemidlalo zibe khona bazofuna abaningi nangoJuni sibe nayo imidlalo la obekade kusilongonyane Legacy and Africa Tigers la ebesenze khona imidlalo ebikhona iminingi nakhona amathimba ebekade nakhona ebu-16 or ebekade u-12 mangakusisi evela khona lapha ewadini isikhathi siklase ngejezi so kwaba kuhle ukuthi laba ayakafaka amathimba ekhale ukuthi amajezi awana onke amathimba asekhava and I'm proud myself ngalokho because umsebenzi wami ngiyakudaya ngiyawenza nakuba ngingathathi intweni but I can able to shift izinto ngimise okunye ukuze kuzokwenzeka okunye because namhlanje le-tournament siklase ngemali engaku-7,000 siyathokoza ukuthi umsebenzi uhambe kahle kuyona so amathimu abongile onke okuyinikela abadlali nekomiti lami enginalo engisebenza nalo ngiyabonga nalo ukuyinikela o-coach bamathimu wonke ngiyabonga nje i-cooperation esinayo la ngiyethemba-ke ukuthi izinto zobe lokhu hamba kahle that was we are going to get inhloso yami mina ngokomsebenzi wami ngumfundisi ebanda izethu ze-administration ngibayazi but uye wangithuma namhlanje ukuthi no lo mfundisi abazalwane just so nami ngizama ukubatheka khona kuningi okwenziwa ezemidlalo uma zikhona ezemidlalo noma ziyabavimba abantu abasha ukuthi bengayenzi into ebhedayo bengayitholi sebendidakamizwa ngendlela engafanelekile bengayitholi sebebazana bengayitholi sebenza yonke into esort of giving ayenzeki ezemidlalo ziyayikhokha yonke leyo nto leyo ngoba basuke besemagrawundini abantu abafuna ukwenza izinto ey'bhedayo njengalezo even obaba nabo baqhubeka ukuthi bangayenzi i-GBV emakhaya angatholakala ubaba esenza lokhu nalokho usixoxa nje ezemidlalo ziyasibuyisa zisibuyise ndawonye sizokwenza into efanelekile njenganamhla cabanga abantu bavesane bayeka amakhastadi bayeka iy'nyama zabo ezimnandi bayeka yonke into ebimnandi ongayicabanga bavesane bakhetha ukuza la emdlalweni akutholakali lutho bathi ngithanda ukuba loyal kwabo uma beloyal nami ngizoba loyal
abadlali abawinile yini abayihlomule
abadlali abawinile senze sure ukuthi team ebeyirana up which is a silver medal ithole ama-silver medals yathola no-2,000 rand ngaphezulu and then kwathi i-team okuyiyona ebenama-champions ithole ama-gold medals plus 5,000 rand ngaphezulu so ilokho nje engicabanga ukuthi nabo bazokusebenzisa ngendlela efanelekile and i-team le ewinile namhlanje kuyimbolako FC nesinye isiteki emangawo ngezidlalayo ngicabanga ukuthi le mali izobasiza if i-transport ngoba i-transport yabona ukuthi bayayikhokhela so bazosizakala ekuthenini bathole i-transport manje ngithi ukuba elihebhithi worried ukuthi ayikabikho i-team yala ewadini ukuthi ike iwine kodwa ngijabulile ukuthi ifikile iBayadani FC kwi-final ngonyaka uphelile kwakade kufike iKilimanjaro namazulu namathimvele esona ngibona ayikade ifike kwi-final nakuba i-final sinayidlala but we had decided imali sibanikeze abahamba so kwaba so ngicabanga ukuthi kulo nyaka izinga liphakeme kakhulu as compared to last year because lo nyaka ukubona yonke ngithanda ukubonga abadlali bonke abakhona ukuyinikela kwabo ngoba unyaka nonyaka uthola a new brand of players and those players are just making a difference on the field so nje sifuna ukuthi ukhumbula one day I don't know the England team one of the players ushaye a very great goal eshaya ibhayisikili and in this kind of field uma ubuka this bumpy and uyalibuka ukuthi linjani and that guy was there and he turned over and then wangitha isiphoto ngaphakathi and namhlanje sobonile amagoli amahle njenganangisa
umuntu esencane yakho
amagoli amabili amahle kakhulu but we are very happy to see players performing of that particular match. I'm just looking forward to next year we are going to see a lot of improvement and I'm also looking next year we are going maybe to upgrade the imali ingabisakala nayikhona sibeke into phezulu maybe ukhona lapho umsamariya sesikhule khona sacela basilokuza basinikele kodwa nje-ke ngiyakholelwa ekuthenini ukusebenza kahle nabantu njengoba nawe njenale ukhona we are working together and kuyasisiza ukuba khona kwakho kuyasinika lowo mfundo uma sesegrawundini nathi abaduduzi bezemidlalo nababeka imidlalo kuyasisiza ekuthenini sibone ukuthi hayi kuba mnandi kakhulu.
Nikhommente esencane ungayikhohlwa babili
elam lokugcina lithi kukhona esingukhabile futhi okunye la kunomunye umfana ube wasimakaza nje engithukwini just a small talent just a big boy yazi into ayenzile mfana ayibhangazi noma akusarekhodi isibongo sakho
kwanyana owami
ekwenze enye into lomfana ememezela ibhola la like an old mapensela uyabona so then ngifuna ukusho ukuthi la ewadinayo ngiyabamema abaholi ngimema wonke umuntu ukuthi eze wadinayo ngoba ezemidlalo zidla ewadinayo okufakazela lokho ukuthi kodwa nanka amabhodi ase-Africa Tires avesane wadithela ukuwafaka la kuleli ground because ebuka these masses abeza bezokudlala ibhola on our own home soil so ngiyabuya ngithokozisa kakhulu ukubona imidlalo ithakasela kangaka ikhona eminye imidlalo sibuka ibhola kakhulu but eminye imidlalo futhi nayo siyayibuka kuyo kodwa sibona ibhola as isport okuyisona esilula nesicombined hamba kwesikhathi kodwa sibone idlalo nakhona ngiyabona ukuthi kufanele ngikhone ukukhonza okuthize ukuze i-netball izoba active even i-ladies soccer nayo sizoyibona la iba active ama-activities nje lo nyaka siyakuwo zimisele ngokuthi impela hhayi kube bomve-ground ngokutshani fanele buqothuke ngenxa yesi ngiyabonga kakhulu eyi
mtshele kusabuza
lapha emakhaya la ngifisela ukhisimusi omuhle onentokozo
ngabe ngayishiyalekile
don't drink and drive stay away from EGBV abantu ama-drugs hayi abawayeke manje kodwa nje all in all engifuna ukusho iy'khumbula siyibonile nazo senze okukhulu emonakalo sithi laba abathatha ngesibili enkulunkulu ngabe nabo ebathusele bethinteke omasipala bethu bebazame ama-shelter nathi thina abafundisi emasontweni sizame ukubanikeza ama-shelter ukuze bathusele khona ukuze isizwe sonke sethu siye phambili sifuna isizwe esiphiile isizwe esinempilo isizwe kusasa esizokwenza izinto zenzeke iqhubeke futhi impilo ngoba esikwenzayo namhlanje sikwenzela isizukulwane esizayo ngoba kukhona beza emva kwethu asebesiphusha manje abathi asiqhele sisebenze uma singalindi thina ngendlela e-right hhayi angeke babone kufanele lokhu nje sikwenzayo la senzela into ethi kufanele abesemva kwethu babone ukuthi sihambe kanjani